Sir, I think that's due to the network problems.
Due to the no problem, no? Yeah, maybe, I don't know. So see here, 1 minus 256 minus 81 divided by 256. Again here 256 plus 81 divided by 256. Here we did mistake actually. Wait. Here is 9 by 16 already fine. Here this is not whole square. Here 9 by 16 only, right? So here we'll get 16 minus. You can see my screen, children.
Yes, sir.
Waiting room, you can see. Waiting room, you can see. Waiting room. Those who are not able to get, just listen here on the board, okay? Sine A cos C. So here right angle triangle is there. That is at B. So right angle triangle is made here. That is at B. A, B, C, right? A, B, C. So right angle at B. Tan A is 1 by root 3. Tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. If tan A you are talking about this one, then this is O and this is A, right? So O is 1 and A is root 3. So you can find this AC. So AC is equals to what you can do? Root over root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. So root over 3 plus 1, that is root over 4 is equals to 2. Is it clear? AC is clear how we got 2. Then simply put the values here.
Yes.
Simply put the values here. Sine A. So simply put the side. Sine A is nothing but O by H. First we do here for this one. A part. A by H. So sine A, what we can write? If this is A, if this is A, this is O, and this is A. So we are doing for this two first, sine A and cos A. So O by H. O by H is nothing but 1 divided by H. That is 2. Right here plus. A by H. A is what? Root 3 divided by 2. We have not written here for cos C and sin C. Now just erasing this part now. This A and O I'm erasing here because this is going to change. Because I'm going to change this one. This is sin C now and cos C. So this become O and this become A. So cos C is nothing but O by, sorry, A by H, and this is O by H. So A by H is nothing but 1 divided by 2, and this is root 3 divided by 2. Till here, hope everyone is clear with this. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 4 by 4, that answer is 1. No one is having doubt, I think, right? In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So first we just make the diagram over here. So right angle at Q. PQR, right angle at Q. PR plus QR is equal to 25. Suppose PR is X. So what is QR? Is it clear,
X
children?
minus 6.
If PR is 10, so this is what, 15. Understood? If
Plus
X is 10, so QR is 25 minus 10, that is 15. In this way, we have to write. Let PR is X, PR is X. So QR is 25 minus X. And PQ already they've given 5. So we got to know all the sides. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of X.
Yes, sir.
So we can write here PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. Or we can write here PR is equals to, no, simply put the values here better. X square is equals to PQ, that is 5 square plus 25 minus X whole square. So X square is equals to 25 plus A plus B whole square, you can write for this, that is 625 plus X square minus 50X. Okay. So if you see here, this both will get cancelled. X square and X square will get cancelled. So what do you get? You get here 50X is equals to 650. So X is equal to 0 will get cancelled. X is equal to 13. If this is 13 children, so this is 25 minus 13, that is 12. If you are having doubt in this part, please let me know till here.
No, sir.
All right.
No doubt, sir.
Now sin P, cos P and tan P. Any small children also can find if they know the formula, right? Sin P, cos P and tan P. Sin P is nothing but O by A. Sorry, so O by H. So if P, you are talking about P is acute angle, so this become O and this become A. And this is H forever. That is O by H is nothing but 12 divided by 13. Cos P is A by H, that is 5 by 13. Tan P is O by A, that is 12 by 5. So this is your answer. So mainly here, just your thinking part, you should write here. This is only thinking part. If you can, this one you understood, then you can simply put the value in the triangle. You can write opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent, and you can put the values. Till here, I don't think anyone having doubt, right? So you can ask
No,
me.
sir.
No, sir.
You can ask me questions if you are having. And if you are not having, children, you can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.